We had only one day to explore Graz and we really wanted to make the most of it. We're starting our journey right from the Mercur Hotel where we stayed. Honestly, it's such a great spot because you're basically close to everything. Make sure you watch until the end because we found some stunning location that you definitely don't want to miss. We got lucky today. We arrived right in the middle of a festive day here in Graz. The whole city is just alive. There are street concerts and all these cool events for locals and tourists. You can hear music at every corner and everyone is just smiling and the vibe is incredible. Now we've made it to the Mur River. Just look at that floating island over there. That's the Murinsel. It looks like a spaceship, right? We're gonna check it out later. But first, we have an appointment with the best view in town. Let's go! To get to the famous clock tower, you have to head up to Schlossberg hill. Now you've got three choices. You can be brave and climb the 260 stairs, take the fast elevator, or, our favorite, take the funicular. We decided to take the funicular up to save our legs, but we'll walk back down the stairs later to see the gardens. Best of both worlds. And here we are, the Uhrturm. But if you look closely at the clock face, it's actually really confusing. The hands are swapped. The long hand shows the hours and the short hand shows the minutes. It's the total opposite of every other clock. Apparently, it's because back in the day they only had one big hand so people could see the time from far away. It's so unique, we've never seen anything like it. And there's an amazing story here. When Napoleon's army wanted to destroy this fortress, the people of Graz actually paid a huge amount of money just to save this tower. They literally bought his life. That's how much they love it, and honestly, we can see why. This is Rathaus, the city hall. Just look at the size of this building. It's absolutely massive and so beautiful. If you look closely, the building looks a bit, let's say, squeezed in some parts. That's because back then, when they were building it, some neighbors simply refused to move. They wouldn't sell their houses, so the city had to build a Rathaus around them. Graz is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you can really feel it. This means the buildings here are super old and very important for history. Honestly, it's like walking through an open-air museum. Every street has a story and the architecture is just stunning. Next we took a short walk to the Mausoleum and the Cathedral. This area is so peaceful and elegant they actually call it the city's crown. The Mausoleum is just stunning with those turquoise domes. It's where Emperor Ferdinand II is buried. Just a 5 minute walk from the cathedral, we found something really hidden and cool. Inside the castle courtyard, there is the double spiral staircase. Guys, this is mind-blowing. It's also called the Staircase of Reconciliation. It's two separate stairs that go in opposite directions, but they meet on every floor, then part ways again. It was built over 500 years ago. People say it's a symbol of eternity. It's a bit of a maze, but it's so much fun to climb and take photos. If you come to Graz, you have to find this spot. It's like a secret stone puzzle. After exploring the streets, we used Google Maps to find our way to the Landhaus. From the outside, it looks like a grand palace, but the real magic is inside the courtyard. It was designed by an Italian architect, and you can really see that Venetian style here. In the center, there is this stunning bronze fountain from the 16th century, and next to it there is a bronze sculpture of a faun, a mythological creature half man and half goat. He's just sitting there looking beyond these old historic walls. This is the Friendly Alien, the Kunsthaus, the modern art museum of Graz. It doesn't look like a building at all. It looks like a giant blue bubble or something from outer space. To end our amazing day in Graz, we headed down to the Murinsel. Remember that futuristic shell we saw at the beginning? It's an incredible exhibition space and bridge all in one. You're literally in the middle of the river, you can hear the water rushing underneath you and the whole structure just bounces slightly as you walk. We highly recommend coming here at the end of your trip. There's a lovely cafe inside where you can just sit back and enjoy the view. It's definitely the perfect way to relax after all those steps we made today. Graz was a total blast. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next stop. Thanks for watching and stay adventurous. Bye bye!